What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2020 Volvo XC60 mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Instrument panel 8-inch. Locations in the instrument panel. Instrument panel 12-inch. Locations in the instrument panel. Cluster indicators. Adaptive steering, fault in headlight system, airbag warning lamp, anti-lock brake system, warning lamp, active high beams on, active high beams off, high beams on, battery, active high beams on, high beams on, front fog lights on, direction indicator, door ajar, rear fog light on, engine coolant temperature, warning lamp, fasten seatbelt warning lamp, rain sensor on, preconditioning on, lane keeping aid and rain sensor, warning indicator, low fuel level warning lamp, low tire pressure warning lamp, low washer fluid level warning lamp, oil pressure, traction control system, TCS, stable-attract light, parking lamps, collision risk, service engine soon, stability control and traction control off, warning lamp, gauges and meters, speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge in 12-inch instrument panel, fuel gauge in 8-inch instrument panel, trip computer in 12 instrument panel, trip computer in 8 instrument panel, trip odometer, distance to empty tank, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.